To quickly and freely design Facebook posts, all you need to do is to create an account on canva.com, and over here go to search and type in Facebook post, click it, and scroll down here that says free. Over here we can see lots of templates that you can choose from, so we can choose, for example, let's choose for example this one. And now all you need to do is to click on a text, change text. You can change the font up here. And to change the images over here, you can easily go to photos on the left side and type in, for example, and make sure to use the images that says free, and now just drag and drop the images over here. And as you can see, you have a nice Facebook post that you can download. Go up here, download PNG, and upload to Facebook.